Hi guys, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all okay. We are back today with this absolute stunner. How gorgeous is this iris? It's a mulberry iris in this sort of mustard yellow and blue colour combination. And it's just so cool, such a cool bag. So you've got this removable adjustable strap. You've got your plaited top handle. And then on the side, you've got these little adjustable side gussets, 4 base studs, and then you've got your mulberry cloche with a keyring inside. And then you've got your little magnetic press stud fasten, and that opens this up nice and wide to see you've got one flat pocket and one zipped pocket as well. Look at that gorgeous yellow interior. Such a cool bag. I will come back and show you the sizing of it as well. So you have got the top handle, which you can use as a tote or as just a top handle. And then with the strap, you can use it as a long shoulder or a crossbody. And it's such nice soft leather that it kind of just folds very nicely around your body, which is cool. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference, but all the exact measurements will be on the website. So if you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to this on our website. There you will see all the details about it. If you click that link and it doesn't take you straight to this, I'm sorry, that does mean that it has sold, but don't worry, we do have a request list. So if you are after anything in particular, get in touch, let us know, and we will let you know when we get one in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. So when you sign up to the newsletter, you will get a welcome discount that will be sent to your inbox. The code will be sent to your inbox. So don't forget to check your spam, because sometimes it can end up in there as well. And you just pop the code in at checkout when you want to buy your first purchase. Condition, no, not condition, included. You've got your Mulberry dust bag here, and then condition. It's in a really nice condition. It's basically so close to perfect. Exterior we have called very good. So the exterior is really gorgeous. The shape is stunning. There really isn't much sort of wear to show you. You've just got, where is it? Just on the corner here, you can see there's a slight darkening to the leather just at the corner. You can see a little bit better just there. And then along the top, you've got a little bit of marking. Let me show you. So can you see just here? Let me try and zoom in. There we go. Just got a little bit of marking just there, a little bit of a scratch. But again, the wear is really nothing major at all. The interior is excellent. You can tell there's no marks or anything like that on the interior, so that's excellent. And the hardware we have called very good. So the hardware is gorgeous. When you look at your base studs, they are perfect because they are still in their plastic wrap. But with your little thing just here, the front piece of hardware, it's got a little bit of tarnishing to it, but nothing major at all. Still nice and gold. And then inside here, a little bit of scratching, but it's a functional piece of hardware, always attached to the other half. So it's bound to have a little bit of scratching to it. These pieces on the side are beautiful. So yeah, that's all in a really lovely condition. I also just love how gorgeous that top handle is. That is pristine. So that is lovely. If you love this Mulberry, check it out on our website. Links in the description. Have a look at this, have a look at the rest of our Armcandy, and we will see you very soon with some more.